the switch, it's showing like this.
Turn on
You
the
can-
switch?
Yeah, you can. Where
Okay.
is the main switch?
Where? I don't know. Where's the main switch? Ah, here. Okay.
This first
Yeah.
one. This one.
The first?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Only two. Then,
This one. It's showing like this. You just set the time.
time. This is time.
Yeah, this
Timer.
time.
Okay.
Just rotate the knob. 2, 3 hours, 5 hours.
This
Now-
one, what
Yeah,
is
this
this?
one.
Minute? Ah,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
The time is changing now. You select any time. 3 hour, 4 hour, any
Okay.
time. Then press the clock.
Clock.
Again plus. Now time is set.
Two times?
Yeah, 2 times.
Okay.
1 for hour,
Four.
1 for minute.
Ah, minute. Okay,
Yeah.
that's why 2 times.
Now set the time. This P for program.
Program.
Let's press. This is oven symbol. Micro oven.
Yeah.
This is upside only.
This one.
Grill.
Grill.
Upside only.
For chicken?
Yes.
Okay.
This both.
Both all.
Okay. Okay. So you select the micro oven.
What is that?
This is micro oven.
Micro.
For heating.
Okay.
The fridge, you keep it in the fridge. The
Ah,
food,
okay,
you
okay.
can keep it there.
Okay.
Now select the micro oven. Then press this one.
Okay.
This is time. How
Yes.
many minutes? This now 1 minute. So you rotate 1 minute to 15 minutes. Now 2 minutes. 2, 3, 4 like this. You can select the time.
Okay.
Now you select the 145 minutes. Then press start.
Okay. That's for start.
This is stop.
How to stop? Ah, only this. Press
Yes,
this.
sir.
And then what is that lock?
So hold it. The touch will not work. Hold 3 seconds.
Hold. Then to start again.
Hold a second.
Or reset.
Yeah. Stop it. Only stop there. Okay? This one you understand? This one you understand?
Yes.
Now program,
Program.
select it,
Start the time.
then blinking this one. So blinking,
This program is used for this.
Yeah.
If you want to use.
separate, this both.
Ah, say you can use this one also.
Yeah,
Ah.
then it will change.
Two will be changed.
Yeah. Alright. Then press the time. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 30 minutes, 2 minutes. Then press yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Wait. This is lock is for what?
This was stop only.
What?
Stop.
Up or stop?
Yeah.
Okay. This one just only you can stop, but you can
Stop. If you want to
start
stop,
again.
if you want to stop,
Okay. That's all.